Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you of how you can understand what data can some like installed plugin send out of your Salesforce account with callouts. So for instance, we have here plugin written by me. It's called DealScope. It helps to get like a summary of some lead or opportunity with buying signals, stakeholders, risks, and draft email instantly without interacting with some chatbot. It will just be here on this page. But a lot of my clients, they have this concern that we're sending some personal data out of their Salesforce accounts. And we don't do this because here we replace all emails, phone numbers, first and last names with just placeholders. We send those placeholders out uh, within like all data, and on the way back we replace those placeholders with real names to show here, like Michael Turner. It was not sent there. It was sent like user one, and back inside Salesforce it was replaced with Michael Turner. But this concern may happen not only with this plugin, but with many other plugins. So I'm going to show you how to understand what data can be sent out of your Salesforce. And to do so, we'll go here first to setup. In the setup, we need to find logs section. And inside these logs, we need to actually make logs level very low to show this technical data. So I'm going to like change callouts to finest. Apex code is already finest. And what else? Maybe I'll also make system to fine to get as much data as possible in logs. Now log level is changed. I can close this. So to get there, I just clicked here on debug level name. And also I need to click here on edit to set up proper time window for our logs. I'll make it from now to the next 24 hours. Save. And now I'll click here on generate, and DealScope plugin will call backend, which will call in his turn third-party service. It's not third-party, it belongs to me, but it's third-party related to Salesforce. Okay, now we should have this log here. Yes. Let's click view. Now we see a lot of data. DealScope controller last modified. So very easy like thing to understand what could be sent is by looking on these aggregations strings, because it shows what plugin requests from the database. We're requesting a lot of fields, but we don't send all of them. As I said, we we send placeholders for personal information. So I'm looking here with you. What's going on? Stage count. variable assignment, some other selects. Let me look further. So actually, here you see a lot of logs related to the fact that we are sanitizing this callout to get rid of personal information. I want to search for a body. Body, because it represents what was received. Or maybe I can also look for URL. DealScope AI. Let me look for body again. Like in many cases, you will see what was sent within the body of HTTP request. Oh yeah, here we have this callout. Yeah, I'm sending it not to our API, but to proxy. That's why I was not able to find your proper URL name. So yeah, I'm sending it. Here we have we see post request to this URL, but we don't see here what was sent actually. We don't see here, but we can, and in some cases you will not see it if the plugin doesn't log it, and that's okay to not log, put to logs a lot of information. So we are going to make some trick. There is a service which is called webhook.site, and we will replace our backend URL with this one, with this guy, and all requests will be sent to this service. So in this way, we will understand what our plugin sends particularly. So I'm going to navigate to named credentials, and here we see this URL that we are sending data to. Let me change it really quick. And now I will try to, oh, that's, to generate request. It will not respond to us with some good response, but it will show to us what was actually sent. And here you can see all these placeholders. Email one, first name. So, and no kind of phones or personal data is sent. You see company name is also replaced. Yeah, for now, phone one, email one. Yeah, so simple. You can do it with any other Salesforce plugin where you want to understand what it sends. So thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Goodbye.